Cold nights ahead. Welcome to Gardening with Ben, and yeah, we are in January, so we expect cold weather. Now, it has been pretty mild. It's not been a bad winter so far. We've had a bit of snow where I am, but not too much. We've hardly had any frosty mornings. It's been a pretty mild winter so far, and touch wood, it stays like that. However, it is going to get colder towards the end of this week from what I've seen on the Met Office. So you need to be prepared and be ready for it. Now, obviously, I don't have a greenhouse at home, or I don't have much growing space indoors, so I can't take everything indoors when it's absolutely freezing. Now, I've got some stuff growing in my shed, and I've got some stuff growing in my polytunnel, and yeah, the best thing to do is keep things protected during the cold weather. And the way we protect it is just by putting some fleece over it, as the fleece protects it from the frost hitting the plant, which can kill it and can damage it. Now, I've grown some winter broad beans. It's the first time I've actually done it, to be honest. I've never grown broad beans through the winter before, so I've been sharing how well mine have been getting on. Now, these are the Aquadulus, which are a winter hardy variety. Now, I thought I'd lost them all because they looked absolutely awful the other week when it snowed, but they've picked back up and they're growing pretty well. But obviously they are a winter hardy variety, but if it gets too cold, feel free to put some fleece over them just to protect them and to keep them safe during the cold months. However, garlic is a plant that absolutely loves the cold. Without the cold, it won't form the bulb and the formation of the cloves on the bulb itself. So cold weather does help the garlic, so don't cover them with fleece because it needs the cold weather to help it. But yeah, you can get fleece online. It's not that expensive and it'll last quite a few months as well. You might need to replace it the year after, but yeah, it will last quite a few times. Even if you've got stuff in greenhouses, if it's not a heated greenhouse, cover the plants in fleece just to give it that extra layer of protection and save it from losing it, because you don't want to lose all that time and effort you put into growing certain plants and looking after them throughout the period for the frost just to come along and kill them in one night. So it's great to keep them all protected. Now, I've got my potatoes chitting down here at the allotment. They're in mini greenhouses, so they've got an extra layer of protection. They're inside my polytunnel in mini greenhouses, so yeah, they're keeping them well looked after. However, I might put a bit of fleece over them when the weather does get cold, just to give them that extra layer of protection and to keep them a bit warmer. They don't need a lot of warm weather. Potatoes for chitting need to be kept cool, but it might just give them a bit more looking after during the cold time. So yeah, be careful, get your fleece ready and get everything looked after, because that extra bit of love might help produce great crops come summertime. So yeah, I hope you found that useful, everyone, and as always, remember, keep smiling, keep shining and keep gardening with Ben, everyone.